Hi everyone. In this short video, I'm going to show you how we can insert clickable checkboxes in Microsoft Excel. As you see, I can check it and uncheck. At the end, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's do it. First, if you don't have Developer tab, just from File, go to Options, Customize ribbon, check Developer. Okay, now I have Developer tab. Then, from Developer, go to Insert, select this checkbox, put it here. Okay, align with the cell. Now you can change this text or rename it, but I remove the text. Good. Now you see it can be ticked or unticked. Select the cell. If you want to apply for D as a cell, just drag this one. Good. Now you can tick and untick. If you want to select one of the checkboxes, just hold Ctrl and left click direct. You can change it. If you want to change its color, just right click, format control. From here you can change fill color. For example, I selected this one, and line color. For example, I selected red. Okay, it appears like this. That's all. Have a nice time.